Today we are just discuss the method paper of English. The first question is what do you understand by the bilingual method? How does it differ from translation methods? And what are the advantages of these methods? First of all, we want to know what is bilingual method. Bilingual method is a completely recent method invented by Professor C.J. Dodson of Wales. He claims that this method is very effective in teaching a foreign language. Now, what is the philosophy behind this method? Philosophy behind this method is when the child learns mother tongue, he connects the meaning of words with his own experience because he learns the mother tongue in a real situation. In this way, he grabs the situation or forms the concept in the mind. As for example, mother asks the child, "Doodh piyo," drink milk. Seeing the milk itself, the child learns that this thing is called doodh or milk. Thus he learns calling milk as doodh and forms the concept of milk in his mind. Now, it will be a waste of time to create that situation again before the child when we are teaching him a foreign language, because the child has already experienced the situation while learning mother tongue. Now, what is the characteristic of bilingual methods? This method is a unique method which is a midway between two old methods, translation grammar methods and direct methods. The main characteristic of this method are: first characteristic, sentence is the unit of teaching. A rigorous practice is done in sentence pattern. Third, it is emphasizes on creating situations, not exactly like direct method. Here the situations are created just by giving the mother tongue equivalents of English words. Fourth, it commands use of mother tongue, not exactly like translation grammar method. In this method, mother tongue is only used during early stage. Gradually, it can be dropped as students advance in learning. Second, mother tongue is only used to explain the meaning of words, phrases, idioms, sentences, and grammatical points and rules. Third, word for word translation is not done. This type of translation is called interpretation by the Dodson. Fourth, translation are only done by the teacher, not only by the students, to explain the matter. And fifth, after explanation, practice is done without the help of mother tongue. Now, what is the merit or advantage of bilingual methods? This method promotes both fluency and accuracy in English. Unlike the direct method, which ignores the linguistic habits already acquired by the students, in the process of learning their mother tongue. The bilingual methods makes use of them. The teacher is saved from the botheration of creating real situation in order to convey the meanings in the English only. He gives the meanings in the mother tongue of the students.